Sharanappa, Sharanappa, Sharanappa. Sharanappa, morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Sharanappa is not talking only.
I think he's connecting, sir. He's not yet connected.
Okay. So maybe Sharanappa for him today is the first class, I hope.
Sir.
Once connected, then only it will come down, I hope. Connected, Sharanappa. Okay. Only 6 are there. 9:30, no? 33. Already 3 minutes over. Now, if you join exactly at 9:30, it will be good. Okay. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
We'll start now. Let them join. So no problem. So if you want to take, you can make unmute and you can talk. Otherwise, you can make mute, so that no disturbance will be there. Okay. So I have. So how many programs you have done?
5 programs.
What 9? How many programs you have done?
5 programs, sir.
5 programs, sir.
Do you have executed? You got output.
I have not laptop, sir.
That's what you got output.
ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದು ಆಪ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ರನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay, okay, okay. So what about others? Akash,
Yes, sir.
have you executed programs?
So,
Huh?
so 4 I have done. 4 I have
You
done,
got-
sir. 5th one I have.
You got output.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If
Try
I
to
have any error, I talk with Neelanjan, sir. He is good at programming.
Who?
Neelanjan, sir, our classmate.
Which semester is?
Our sir. Our sem. He don't come to class because he has a network problem sometimes.
Okay, 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 okay.
He stays in West
Okay.
Bengal.
Okay, no problem. So try to contact your friends or me. You can try to execute it. If you have any problems, let me know that, because I have given
Yes,
correct
sir.
code only. So because when I'm writing, at least I'll write 1 or 2 mistakes so that you can find out the errors and you can learn. So but here I will not give any errors. So maximum exactly it will be there. So just you can type it and you can execute it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So normally when I'm taking class, wantedly I'll give 1 or 2 mistakes so that you can concentrate, you can learn good programming. But here teacher will not be there to monitor. That is the reason I'll be giving correct code only. You type it, and if you have any errors, let me call, or you can talk to your friends and you can try to execute it. So others also, so many people not yet started laboratory programs. Probably you may not be getting lab sessions, maybe one or two you'll get it only for complicated programs to execute or to conduct the test. So whenever you are free, you try to execute it. So try to get either neighbor laptops or systems with help of neighbors or friends or whatever it may be. Try to execute it. So they're also facing problems. Even I didn't bring textbook to my home town, but still we are taking the classes. Okay. So now I'll tell you the 6th program and 7th program. So one is called write a Java program, implement a queue using user defined exception handling. Also make use of throw and throws. So throw is nothing but you have the differences, two differences. So throw and throws. So throw is nothing but yes. So throw is nothing but for a particular runtime program, for example here. So for example, if you write it inside the method, we'll be writing for throws for particular exceptions. For example, f is equal to -1. So for that, you will be writing some error. But throws is nothing but you are writing for the method. So method is nothing but exceptions using the unchecked exceptions. So no need to write any exceptions, unchecked exceptions. So unchecked exception purpose, you will be writing the throws. That is nothing but you will be writing for the methods. But in detail, we'll go for the when we are taking the class. Maybe for the third unit, it will be coming. We'll see that one later. So now Q is nothing but data structures. Q got over data structures.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Q, yeah, Q is nothing but what? Inserting one end and deleting one end.
Deleting
That is,
one. Read and
or first in, first out. First in, first out. Stack is nothing but last in, first out. Q is nothing but, for example, if you are taking our own example, so when you are paying the electricity bill, what will happen? So you will be standing on the queue, whoever comes, and they will be joining last, and whoever will be there, whoever entered into the first, that for them service will be given. So they will be going out. That means what? Deletion. So that's what here insertion is one end and deletion will be one end. So insertion purpose you might have taken the rear, and deletion purpose you will be taking the front. So initially variables, there is no people will be there. That is the reason we'll be declaring int is equal, front is equal to rear is equal to -1. So one person, one will be taken front, rear. Some people will be taking front is equal to 0. Also they will initialize. So that is left to you people. But I have declared front is equal to rear is equal to -1. Both are same. That is nothing but the initial positions. So already we have taken super is nothing but the it will be taken the objects of the current class. So here we have written class exception exeqc extend the exception. So exception string s is equal to super of s for that particular object. Whatever the problems are coming, we will be throwing the errors. That is what the this one. Now the program is nothing but class q. We have taken we need two variables. One is called front, one is called the rear. So one for front will be inside deleting purpose, and rear will be inserting purpose. So now public queue. So this is called the constructor initialization variables in the class. Front is equal to rear is equal to -1. Now you have the two queues. One is called the insertion purpose. One is called the deletion purpose. This is called the insertion queue. Throws exception. So if front is greater than 5, throws new exception queue is full. So I can insert greater than or equal to 5 means 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means totally 6 values I can insert it here. So when there is no exception, that means front is equal to -1. So front plus rear plus means rear will be become 0. Q of 0 is equal to n. Whatever you are inserting the values, that will be inserting here. If front is equal to -1, front is equal to 0. That means what will happen when you are inserting here. So when the first time when we are inserting the first time, so rear will become 0. So there you are making front is equal to also 1. So that is the reason this one front is equal to 0. So data structures code, whatever you have done, the same thing here also. If front is equal to -1, front is equal to 0. So that means only first time you are incrementing. So rear every time you are incrementing. If space is available, it will be incrementing. So that is what the insertion purpose. And deleting purpose, you know that if front is equal to -1, there is no elements. There is no element. In temp is equal to A of front. If front is equal to rear, that means what? For example, maybe capacity here we have given 10, but only 3 people are there. So once you serve 3 people, that means what? Rear will be incremented 0, 1, 2. So front also 0, that will be deleted. 2, 1 will be deleted, 2. So 2 is equal to 2 means there is no people. Then again you have to bring back to the first location. So that is what the front is equal to rear is equal to -1. If front is equal to rear, front is equal to rear is equal to -1. Maybe second position or third position or fourth position or last position, whatever it may be. Once you reach front and rear, so you have to make it the initial position. So else front plus return temporary variable. So that is nothing but the temp is nothing but A of front. So that it will be returning. So now we'll see the how it will be working. Q demo public static void main. So try catch already I have told you, when you are running the programs, whatever the runtime errors are there, it will be throwing that one. So that is what this one. Now create the object ob is equal to new q ob.nq of 10. So that means what? 0th location, one first location, second location, third location, fourth location, fifth location. So now up to here it is, there is no problem to insert it. Once you insert this one, so ob.nq is nothing but what? Q is full. So that means what? This function should invoke, what is that called here, this one, exception q is full. Exception is nothing but for this current object, for this it will be working through the error of the q is full. So that is what will be coming. Now once you finish this one, system dot catch the exception, system dot out dot println means up to here there is no problem to execute it. Once it is coming here, the last element when you are inserting, there is no space, it will go to the catch system dot out dot println x dot get message. Get message is nothing but that function. So q is full, it will be coming. Now once again I will do it to try delete it. So now come back to the output. What will happen? First one is called q demo. Q is full. So I am trying to print it. So Q is full. That means I have not inserted for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 60 is 10th element, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 it is inserted. So now try system dot out dot println ob dot delete q. Delete q is nothing but what? First one, whatever you have inserted 10, the 10 will be deleted here. So 10 will be deleted. Next is delete ob dot delete q. Second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element, sixth element. Up to here, so that is nothing but the 60 element deleted. Now what will happen? So when you are trying to delete one more element in this case, so there is no errors. So it will be going to the catch. So that exception is nothing but q is empty. So q is full. Before that have not displayed any element. If you want, we can display it here. Where? So where you are inserting the elements are there, no, here. So throws rare plus plus is there, no. So here you can enter it system.out.println. So a of rare, so that it will be displaying that also. I have not displayed here because not required that. So when I want the memory queue, because once you reach the queue, rare is greater than or equal to 5, so then the message should be displayed queue is full. So that is the reason I have not displayed here. So for identification purpose, if you want, here after this you can enter it and it will display it. So after inserting all the elements, queue is full. So now I will be deleting 10, 20, first inserted element, second inserted, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, so that all the elements will be deleted. So finally queue is empty. So do you have any doubt? Please let me know this. So ordinary queue, so like data structures, not that much difficulties. We are not allocating any memory here or deallocating any memories here. Only thing is here we have taken one of the constructor, front is equal to rear is equal to. Probably madam also might have told the same thing. One constructor madam might have taken front is equal to rear is equal to -1 data structures also. But many ways can be done. So normally we'll take one constructor. Once you inserted this one, way of accessing is easy. So that is the reason I have taken here constructor, and the way of working is normally data structures how it will work here also the same thing. But compared to there, here it is easy. That's it. So now we'll go for the other program. Another program is nothing but this is what the output. So now compute the following. So compute the following. First one is called the create a package name called shape. Another one is called create some class name is called package represent some of the common shapes like square, triangle, circle. So we have to create the package name is called the shape. So because whoever write the program code will be the same here. So once you create the class, so you have to how many you have to create the this one packages is nothing but one is called the square, one is called the triangle, one is called the circle. So three we have to create it individually. So we know that uh, triangular formula is nothing but what is the triangular formula? Half into b into h, square is 4 into a, circle is nothing but pi r square. So this is the three formulas. Once you know these three formulas, you have to write it individually. That's it. So here the first one is called create the shape. So package name is called package shape. So question itself they have given that one. Now we have to create the three different common representations of the classes. One is called the public class. I have taken first is circle. Circle is nothing but public void area of the circle. So this is the function name area of circle. So int r double is equal to whatever you are passing the parameter from the main program into r square. Pi is nothing but 3.14 r into r. System dot out dot println area of circle is equal plus a. So this is nothing but separate class under the shape package. The like this you have to write square is separately, triangle is separately. Are you getting what I'm saying? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have to create one package that is called the shape. So once you create, you have to write the three classes individually. One is called the square, one is called the triangle, one is called the circle. So all three you have to write it separately. That's it. So now go for the another one square. So package name you have to write it separately here. So this is one separately separate class when you are executing. So next one more file name is nothing but you have to give this and you have to write it this separately. So public class square, public void square area is equal to int a 4 into a formula system dot out dot println separately. So you see here this is separate, this is separate. So this is what the one package. The similarly for triangle also package shape. So public class triangle, public void area into b into h. So double ta is equal to half into bh system dot out dot println. So this one. Next is we have to import the packages shape dot star. So whatever you have given shape dot star packages. So whatever you have given the shape star is nothing but multiple names are there under the shape package. So all three will be downloaded here. So what is the advantages of the packages is nothing but once you write any package, so you can reuse the packages, the code. So normally functions, whatever you are writing, the similarly here also functions within the program reusability. But here is nothing but like individual file names you are writing. That individual file names, what whenever you want, you can utilize it. So once you write one package, one method, so you can whenever it is required, you can use that package. That is called the package. So you here is nothing but when you are writing the main program import.step.start. So here this is one file name triangle, one more is nothing but rectangle, area is nothing but circle, also separately you have to write it, and another one is called square. So that also should be written separately. All three file names separately you have to write it with that file name whatever you have given the class name. Now the main programming is nothing but this one. So this one, where is that import class package name is nothing but here import the shape dot star. So class area, so with class area you have to create one more file name. Using this you have to compile it separately. So this is you have to compile separately, that compile separately, that compile separately. Once you compile this, after this then you have to run the program. So public static void main triangle tob is equal to new triangle. So another one is called the circle. You have to new circle, create the, you have to give the 5 values. So triangle of the through half into b into h. So half into b into h it will be calculated. And another circle is nothing but a square 4 into a. So 4 into a is nothing but 20 will be coming. So SOB is nothing but new into square. So SOB area is nothing but this one. So this is what the way of working the packages. So packages meaning is nothing but what? Once you create any package, reusability will be there. So you have to create the package called under the package star. You have the 3 packages that is called the area separately, circle separately, square separately. So all 3 packages you have written individually, you are compiling separately. So for this program you need to write four file names. 4 file names. Once you do it, then you have to compile this, then you have to run the program. This is what the packages. So do you have any doubt? Please let me know. Sharanappa, so is joining and going. Okay, so these 2 lab programs, please execute it now itself. So whenever you are having time, because every Saturday laboratory programs will be executing, you have to try it out. Okay, if you have any doubts, let me know that, then we'll see it. Okay, so laboratory program assignment also have to give. I'll give you one more assignment for laboratory also. Okay, whoever not submitted, please submit the Java first assignment. I will be sending this week or next week lab theory 2 second assignment also. Okay, so any doubt laboratory programs now?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
so
sir.
execute now. So try to execute it. If you have
Yes,
any doubt Monday, let me know that, because packages you have to try to write it separate packages, one file name, one package. Okay, one class separately under the shape. So totally 4 file names written. So you have to compile it individually. Then finally main program you have to run it. So that is what you have to use. Okay, shall we stop now?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Shall we stop now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.